L-Unjoni Ewropea se tkun qed toffri sosten dirett lill-Gvern tal-Kroazja wara t-terremot devastanti li din il-ġimgħa għeżżes pajjiż sħiħ. L-aħħar rapporti qed jindikaw li huma mill-inqas 7 l-vittmi ta' dan it-terremot li kejjel saħħa ta' 6.4 fuq l-iskala Richter. NetNews kellem mal-kap tal-aħbarijiet ta' Sports Television fil-Kroazja, Jura Ozmez, fejn esprima kif saħansitra tagħmir ġdid li ġabu fl-aħħar jiem spiċċaw intradmu taħt it-terrapien u għalilna x'esperjenza hu il-mument li seħħ it-terremot.
I was on my job having meeting with the president of Croatian Olympic Committee. He was in our meeting room together with my general manager. We have some meeting about next year because we are planning to widen our broadcasting because we get some new equipment, as I told you, and in the middle of that meeting it happened very, very, very strange feeling when you are waving and everything around you. You don't know what is going on. Luckily, only few pieces of that new equipment fell down on the floor.
It-timijiet ta' emerġenza qattaw il-lejl ifittxu qalbit tiġrif għal persuni li possibilment kienu għadhom maqbuta. Fost il-vittmi kien hemm tifla ta' 12-il sena li mietet fil-belt ta' Petrinja, qrib l-epiċentru tat-terremot. Vittma oħra nstabet taħt it-tifrik ta' knisja fil-villaġġ ta' Żgħażina. It-tfittxija għan-nies għadha għaddejja. Il-biża' fost in-nies tanti kbira li ħafna spiċċaw raqdu fil-karozzi tagħhom filwaqt li kien hemm postijiet, inkluż barracks tas-soldati, li nbidlu f'dormitorji.
I know a lot of people which are my friends or colleagues or my family which didn't sleep well last night because they were scared. Some of them, of course, unfortunately had to sleep in a tent. Some of them already moved to the Adriatic coast because a lot of our hotels opened the door and say, if you don't need anything to be eaten in, please come to Adriatic coast and you can be there. Also, our main chefs in Croatia cook the meal for the people down there.
Jura Ozmez qal li qed jittama li fi żmien xahrejn jew 3 il-pajjiż jerġa' jkompli l-ħajja kif kienet qabel seħħew it-terremoti.
Hope that in spring, so in maybe 2 or 3 months, the beginning of reconstruction of Croatia will start and it will be very good. Hopefully and luckily there is a message from the European Union that they will help as much as they can. So I hope it will be done by the EU recommendations.
Intant is-Sindku ta' Petrinja stqal li nofs il-belt tinsab b'orġebel u l-ħsarat huma enormi. Kien għalhekk li l-erba' l-Kummissarju Ewropej Janez Lenarčič żar il-postijiet milquta u wiegħed għajnuna immedjata.